Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a simple and a quick dal recipe. I prepared this for lunch today and I must say that this is the most comfort and a quick one to prepare for lunch. I hope you like this recipe of mine, so keep watching. For today's dal recipe, I am taking masoor dal. Here I have taken 1 cup of masoor dal and washed it well with water 3 to 4 times and then transferred it to a pressure cooker, added 2.5 cups of water and pressure cooked it for 3 to 4 whistles. For the tadka, heat a little oil and once hot, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, crushed garlic cloves 3 to 4, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves and allow them to fry well. Once fried, add half thinly sliced onion and 1/4 teaspoon of HING. Do not miss on this as this adds more flavor to the dal. Now fry this well till the onions turn dark brown in color. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Fry till the raw smell of the spices fades away. Now add a little tamarind water and 1 cup of water, few coriander leaves and salt to taste. Now give this a good mix and allow it to get a boil. Once boiled, add the pressure cooked dal. Here I have added a little water and whisked it well. Add it to the tadka. Rinse the cooker with little water and add it to the tadka. Now give this a good mix. Once mixed well, allow it to boil. Do remember to stir in between so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Once the dal is well boiled, turn off the heat. Cover and let it sit for 2 minutes. Our tadka dal, tamarind flavored, is ready to be served. Let's dish this out. Enjoy this tamarind tadka dal or Khatti Dal as it is called with plain rice and any side dish of your choice. Give this recipe a try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to meet us again. Take care. Bye-bye.